Sakar, for those who are not aware, is the biggest publisher from Maharashtra. We have 3 newspapers, 6 websites, 12 apps. Also, we have a TV channel, 2 now. One is from Maharashtra and one is from Goa. We are spread across Maharashtra and Goa for that matter. And we are growing at a breakneck speed and both physically as well as digitally. So, context is pretty simple. I'm going to talk about our experience of transformation. How did we transform from our old tech stack, the old technology that we were using, to what we are using now, and how has that helped us? Alright? We are 90 years old, huge organization from Pune, Maharashtra. So we were struggling with this part on the digital front. One being the prima facie being the lack of innovation. Rapid changes in technology and consumption. The market was evolving really fast, and we were on a very old CMS. I don't know whether you guys have ever used Drupal as a CMS. We had a CMS which was on Drupal 7. So imagine this: there was a tech company managing Drupal 7. Then there was a company who our DevOps were outsourced to. Then there was a company who our tag taxonomy was outsourced to. Then there was a company who our hosting was outsourced to. If something happens to the website, it took us at least 1 hour to figure out whom to call. Okay? Where is the mistake? How do we fix that? This story changed in 2020 April. That is when we started our transformation. So, if I had to launch a website, it would take me at least 3 months to develop that website, test it, and then go to market. Today with Quintype, I can do that in 3 days at the max. Alright? So we are in the process of launching a spiritual content website. And the plan is to go live. If I get a go live from my management today, I can have the website live day after tomorrow. That is the speed that Quintype basically essentially helps you with. External dependencies and support I already talked about. We were dependent on 10,000 players. Half the day used to be basically talking to people about optimizing resources and costs. So my core function as a business head at Sakar Media was bringing in revenue as well as taking care of tech and helping my editorial team and journalists to perform to their maximum. But if I spent most of the times looking after tech, revenue to reh gaya baaju mein. That never happened. I couldn't find time to do all that. So the whole scenario was quite complicated. And the last point, it's very dear to me because there was a month that I used to stay awake at night because my website used to crash quite often. So there would be points of time at 4 o'clock I used to wake up from my sleep, try to open the website. If it opened, I could sleep again. If it couldn't, then the phone फिर से करना है. The cycle used to start. Alright, that was the scenario that we were in. These are some numbers for you. This is before the transformation, 6.7 monthly active users, and this is after the transformation. This last month we clocked 14.5 million. We are sitting on 14.5, practically a double growth. And I'm not saying that this happened only because of the transformation on the technology side. My editorial team ramped up their capabilities to a great extent. The training programs that they went through, the efforts that they are taking from a content perspective, the experiments that they are doing, this is what together, along with technology, has contributed to this growth. So this particular website, eSakar, which used to clock 50 million page views, clocked 105 million page views last month. Alright, and like I said, kudos to the editorial team for the efforts that they are taking. But if this technology wasn't there, it wasn't stable, all those efforts would have basically gone waste. Some more numbers. This is samtv.com, our TV channel website. It was at 193k monthly active users. Last month, 6.3 million. And this is an outfit which is based in Mumbai. We are based out of Mumbai. Now that newsroom also has to be managed from Pune. and Quintype enables us to do that. He sits in Pune, he takes care of around 100 people. He has to monitor their performance. He has to basically Quintype as a single window dashboard for looking at everything. This is Gomantak Times, our website from Goa. This is the only English website that we have. So 2.3K to 280K. I think we didn't use the last month's data. We clocked 1.7 million last month. Alright, so while we were transforming, these were the challenges that we faced. Editorial pain points were tremendous. The CMS was complicated. There was something called a editor and publisher mechanism. So one person will write the content, then it will be submitted, and then finally a senior will come, look at it, give his approval and publish it. Now this used to be a painstaking task because sometimes when the article was published in the editor window or the desk, the junior editor window, it would never appear in the senior editor's window. Abhi beech mein kahan gaya? Where did it go? And now from a tech perspective, we don't believe in becoming a tech company. We never had in-house tech resources. We had always outsourced tech. So for us, we had to reinvent the wheel every time there was a new era. And this kept happening. Keeping up with modern technology was a challenge. Abhi, I think we are on Drupal 12 or Drupal 11. I don't know exactly where. But to migrate from Drupal 7 to Drupal 11 was building a new ecosystem by itself. The old technology had to be completely thrown out and new technology had to be built. Now imagine the cost and efforts that were involved. Agency dependencies, like we said, we never want to become a tech company. We are a mid-size regional publisher and our core forte is content. News, hyperlocal news is what we specialize in, and we want to focus on that and not focus on becoming a tech company. How and what changed? So this is the old CMS that I'm referring to you. The amount of icons would themselves be confusing for the editor. Karna kya hai? Click kahan karu? Imagine the training programs that we would have to conduct just to explain this part. Ki karna kya hai? This is after the transformation. This is how an editorial workspace looks like for Quintype. Alright? Life becomes very clean, neat. Everything is in one place. Basically, the journalist can reduce his turnaround time. It's just now this you can see the automatic formatting tab. It's a sticky tab, moves along with the content, so the journalist doesn't have to scroll up every time while clicking it. Also, one function that is very important is the autosave function that Quintype has. So my journalist, when he's on the ground covering a story, he can use his mobile phone browser to publish the story that is breaking. And imagine this, if he's typing that story and the network goes, he loses the entire story. But the autosave feature itself is a boon for us because Pune has a lot of load shedding when it comes to electricity. Suddenly, if the electricity goes, your internet drops for a minute or two until the backup comes in place. Imagine the number of stories that we will lose. 100 journalists working on 100 stories at any given point of time. Alright, we publish 1,000 stories across 6 websites every day. And without autosave, that would be a challenge. This is the old CMS again. So from an SEO perspective, content discovery, we were dependent on an external taxonomy. So what taxonomy means? Someone has to add a SEO tag, then that tag will appear here. So I have to talk to 3 people. Let's say if Rahul Gandhi says something and I have to add a tag called Rahul Gandhi. So first I have to call the taxonomy vendor, then I have to call the CMS vendor, and then the tag will reflect. Alright. Again with Quintype, content discoverability becomes easy. The tags are also auto-suggested. Once you start populating the tags, it creates a taxonomy of its own and starts suggesting tags. This is a very important criteria from a Google Discover traffic perspective. Google has made it mandatory to have author profiles. and this can be created at a moment's notice using the Twintype CMS. So, like I was saying, in the old CMS, it used to take us 9 minutes for the story to appear on the front end once my journalist has published it. Once my editor at the desk has pressed the final publish button, it used to take 9 minutes for the story to appear on the front end. Now, in this area of competitive journalism where everybody wants a breaking story to go out first, how were we supposed to afford this? With Twintype, it's instant, and also you can edit a live story. If, let's say, the story is live and we have to make any change or correction, the story can remain live while we make the changes in the backend. With newsroom management, Vishwas has to manage 3 newsrooms. One is in Pune, one is in Goa, one is in Mumbai. He can see each author's story in an unpublished state. He can see who is doing what, who is working on what. He can see a complete analytical dashboard where he can see what page views, which story has driven, who is the author. Author level and page level analytics is something that is easily available in the CMS. So now my journalist or my editor does not have to look at multiple dashboards. He has a single window, Twintype, and that will help him to fetch any data that he needs when it comes to his own team and their performance. You can restrict roles, you can give certain accesses or limit accesses according to your needs. There was a lady, social activist from Pune called Sindhutai Sapkar. Okay, and she's very popular in Pune, was very popular in Pune, and our team received, so our sources basically told us that she was really ill and she's about to pass away. So now our story was ready in the CMS. It was saved. The format, template, everything was ready. And around 3 o'clock in the night, we received word that she has passed away. So the story was published from a teammate's mobile, his browser, and within 30 minutes, it had 2.5 million PVs. Why we could do this is because our CMS was browser enabled on a phone with a 3G network. We were the first ones to publish it, we were the ones to break it, and that month we had the highest ever traffic in a single day. So on this particular day, we had 24 lakh, 2.4 million active users in one single day, just because of a single news. Why did I tell you this story? Is because in my old CMS, I would have had to make one person sit in the office throughout the night. And he would have to be sitting in front of a desktop with a LAN connection, otherwise he wouldn't be able to publish it. So the benefits have been to this extent. Productivity has increased tremendously. So in my old CMS, my team could, let's say one person could create 6 stories a day. Now it has gone up to 10. 9 is what we are averaging, but the productivity has gone up. Cost savings are tremendous. More money was being spent on agencies rather than actual technology in the old era. 50% increase in efficiency overall. Story templates that are available in Twintype, any format you have to create stories, plus it's got its own media editing facility, so you can edit images in the CMS. Life becomes easy. This is how our front end looks for SAM TV. Dainik Gomantak, this is actually Gomantak Times. So overall, our experience on this front has been 100% growth in traffic